Hello, my name is Sid. I am an African civet. We inhabit a range of habitats including forests, savannas, grasslands, and even urban areas where suitable habitat exists. We are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods including fruits, insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, and carrion. Not only that, but we are medium-sized mammals, with adults typically measuring between 17 and 28 inches in body length, and weighing between 15 and 44 pounds. We have a distinctive appearance, with a long, slender body covered in coarse fur that is usually grayish with black spots and stripes. We are primarily nocturnal animals, being most active during the night when our hunt for food. We are generally solitary animals, except during the breeding season or when a female is caring for her young. We have perineal glands that produce a musky secretion known as civet, which is used for scent marking and communication. We produce a range of vocalizations including growls, hisses, and screams, which are used for communication. We defend territories, which we mark using our scent glands, and may engage in aggressive encounters with intruders. Our females give birth to litters of 1 to 4 offspring after a gestation period of around 2 months. Then raises the young alone, providing them with milk and teaching them hunting and survival skills. We have keen senses of smell and hearing, which help them locate prey and detect predators in the dark. We are also adept climbers and may spend time in trees, especially when searching for food or escaping predators. We face predation from larger carnivores such as leopards, hyenas, and pythons, as well as birds of prey. We adapt to urban environments, sometimes scavenging for food in garbage bins or raiding poultry farms. We may face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and trapping for our fur or scent glands. We can live for up to 15 years, while those in captivity may live longer. We have cultural significance in some African societies, where our musk has been used in perfumes, traditional medicine, and rituals. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.
Hello, I am Mimi. I am an African spiny mouse. There were several species of spiny mice inhabit savanna regions, including the common spiny mouse, Occamys cahurinus, and the Cairo spiny mouse, Occamys cahurinus dimidiatus. We are characterized by our dense fur covered in sharp, pointed spines or bristles, which provide protection against predators. Our cryptic coloration and spiny fur help them blend into our surroundings, providing protection against predators. We are small rodents, typically measuring around 4.7 to 7.9 inches in length, excluding our tails. We inhabit grasslands, scrublands, rocky areas, and agricultural fields within the savanna ecosystem. We are omnivorous, feeding on a varied diet of seeds, fruits, insects, vegetation, and occasionally small vertebrates. We are primarily nocturnal, being most active during the night when we forage for food and engage in social behaviors. We are adept diggers and create elaborate burrow systems for shelter and nesting, often using abandoned burrows of other animals. And also we are agile climbers and runners, capable of navigating through complex terrain and escaping from predators. Furthermore, we are adapted to tolerate hot and dry conditions typical of savanna habitats, and we may retreat to their burrows during the hottest parts of the day. We have specialized adaptations for survival in arid environments, such as efficient water conservation mechanisms and behavioral strategies for coping with limited resources. We are social animals, living in small family groups or colonies, where individuals engage in grooming, communication, and cooperative behaviors. Our breeding period occurs throughout the year, with females giving birth to litters of 2 to 6 pups after a gestation period of around 30 days. Both participate in caring for the young, with females nursing and males providing protection and food. We use scent marking to communicate with each other and mark their territories, with scent glands located on various parts of their bodies. We produce a range of vocalizations, including chirps, squeaks, and grunts, which are used for communication and social interactions. We have relatively short lifespans, typically living for 1 to 2 years, although they may live longer in captivity. We play a role in seed dispersal, insect control, and nutrient cycling within the savanna ecosystem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Hello. My name is Jessie. I am an impala. We inhabit a range of savanna habitats, including grasslands, woodlands, and open plains, preferring areas with access to water. We are slender-bodied antelopes with reddish-brown coats, white underbellies, and distinctive black markings on our face, ears, and tail. We typically stand around 30 to 37 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh between 88 and 165 pounds. We are found throughout eastern and southern Africa, ranging from Kenya and Tanzania to South Africa and Namibia. We are mixed feeders, primarily grazing on grasses but also browsing on leaves, shoots, and fruits when available. We form mixed-sex herds consisting of females, juveniles, and a few dominant males during the breeding season. Outside the breeding season, males may form bachelor groups. During the breeding season, dominant males establish territories and compete for access to females through displays, vocalizations, and sparring with rivals. Breeding occurs year-round, with a peak in the rainy season. Females give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 6 to 7 months. Our newborn calves can stand and walk shortly after birth and are hidden in dense vegetation for protection from predators. We produce a variety of vocalizations including grunts, snorts, and alarm barks, which are used for communication within the herd. We are exceptional jumpers, capable of leaping distances of up to 33 feet and heights of up to 10 feet to escape predators. We have excellent eyesight, hearing, and sense of smell, which help us detect predators and threats in our environment. We are adapted to tolerate high temperatures and may seek shade during the hottest parts of the day to avoid overheating. Our populations fluctuate seasonally in response to factors such as predation, food availability, and environmental conditions. Our sightings are a highlight of wildlife safaris in Africa, attracting tourists from around the world to witness our grace and beauty in our natural habitat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Hello, my name is Bruno. I am a wildebeest. We inhabit a variety of savanna habitats across sub-Saharan Africa, including grasslands, woodlands, and open plains. We have a robust build with a large head, muscular shoulders, and slender legs. We are characterized by a blue-gray coat, dark mane, and beard-like tuft of hair on their chin. Our adults typically stand around 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh between 260 to 600 pounds. We are primarily grazers, feeding on grasses, herbs, and other vegetation found in the savanna. Our migration pattern is driven by the seasonal availability of grass. We are famous for our annual migration, where millions of individuals move in search of fresh grazing and water. The most well-known migration is the Serengeti Mara migration. We have a wide distribution, ranging from southern Africa to East Africa, with populations found in countries such as Tanzania, Kenya, Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. We produce a variety of vocalizations including grunts, snorts, and lowing sounds, which are used for communication within the herd. We are social animals, forming large herds consisting of hundreds to thousands of individuals. Within these herds, we exhibit complex social behaviors and hierarchies. During the breeding season, males engage in elaborate displays such as sparring with rivals and chasing females to establish dominance and secure mating opportunities. Breeding occurs year-round, with a peak in the rainy season. Females give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 8.5 months. We have excellent endurance, able to maintain a steady pace over long distances during migrations. We can also survive on poor quality forage. We are preyed upon by a variety of predators including lions, hyenas, cheetahs, leopards, and crocodiles during river crossings. We are significant cultural symbols in many African societies, featuring prominently in folklore, art, and ceremonies. Our migration is a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the world to witness one of nature's most spectacular events. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.